Youth Health Service has been providing services to children and families in Randolph and surrounding counties, beginning in 1978. Today, this private nonprofit agency has 2 service sites in Randolph County, with additional treatment sites in Upshur, Barber, and Tucker counties, and 2 large programs designed to meet the challenging needs of our communities. A state-of-the-art child care center in the Elkins area, and innovative, up-to-date treatment options for promoting the mental health and wellness of West Virginia's children, teens, and families.
I am the parent of 17-month-old twins who attend daycare here at Youth Health Services, and we are very happy with the care that they receive here. Every morning when the kids come, they recognize the building and they start smiling and kicking, and they're so excited. The teachers will tell you about what the kids did during the day, and they care about what happens in their lives, little details and milestones that they go through that you, as a parent, might feel like you miss out on when you don't spend the day with your kids.
I wasn't asked to do this, I asked them to do this, to talk about how good their staff is and how reliable they are. Our kids do very well in school. All of them do. I still have a 3-year-old here at Youth Health, but my other 2 daughters are doing very well in school, and I'd like to think that that had to do with being adjusted around other kids and being with other kids as much as they were here at Youth Health. You have to feel good where you're dropping your kids off at every day, 5 days a week. And I think that's what stands out most and why it's a no-brainer for me. It makes you feel good knowing that if your kids are having a good day, whatever you're doing, you feel good about.
In 1997, Youth Health Service opened Home Task Child Care and Development Center to meet the growing needs of families who wanted high-quality daycare for their children while they worked. Home Task provides year-round care for infants, toddlers, preschoolers, and school-aged children at 2 main sites in Elkins. The center is nationally accredited through the National Association for the Education of Young Children.
I have had so many incredible teachers over the years who have helped me along the way. One of my first experiences with formal education was attending a kindergarten readiness program at Youth Health Service the summer before I started school. The teachers were wonderful and made learning so much fun.
Youth Health Service provides a variety of individual, family, and group therapies. For young children, play therapy can help kids work through their strong emotions and worries in a way that young children respond to, through play. Older children and teens may benefit from individual, family, and group counseling to help them work through tough issues that are interfering with their success.
I didn't know what was wrong with me. I felt so down all the time. My mom said I was just a moody teenager, but it felt like more than that. I didn't want to spend time with my friends or my family. At times, I felt so angry I thought I would explode. When my dad suggested I go for counseling, I got so upset. I thought he thought I was crazy. When I finally went to Youth Health Service, my counselor didn't treat me like I was crazy, and he helped me understand where my depression was coming from and how to deal with it. Now I like being with people again.
It was such a relief when my 7-year-old son was diagnosed with ADHD. I had felt like such a failure because I couldn't manage his behavior or help him do well in school. Everyone looked at me like I was a bad parent. Everywhere we went, in stores, at family gatherings, his behavior was so out of control. At Youth Health Service, the psychiatrist worked with me to find the right medications for him, and the therapist and family specialist worked with me and my son to come up with a plan to address his behavior problems. What a difference this has made.
Hi, I'm Sandy Tobacco. I'm a guidance counselor in the school system, and as such I have responsibility for hundreds of children. I'm really thankful for Youth Health Service for backup and support, especially with children who have special needs. Youth Health Service not only helps to deal with traumas from the past with kids, but also help them to give understandings, coping skills for dealing with future issues. I'm awfully glad to have them here in town helping us out.
In 2005, Youth Health Service decided to really focus on the powerful effects trauma can have on children and teens and opened the Strength Builders Child and Adolescent Trauma Center. The Trauma Center became part of the National Child Traumatic Stress Network, a collection of hospitals, universities, and community and school-based treatment centers throughout the United States dedicated to the research and treatment of childhood trauma. Youth Health Service offers a variety of tried and tested trauma treatments for children, teens, and their parents, offering hope for recovery and for the future.